Welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how we can customize always on display on our mobile. So this is on my iQOO mobile which I recently purchased, and the screen or the display is AMOLED display. So I have this option always on. So please do comment which mobile are you using. You need to click on your Android phone settings. Then in one of the settings you will see something like lock screen and wallpaper. You need to tap on that. Then you need to click on always on display. Then by default it will be in disabled state. You need to click on enable. Once you enable that, just below that you will find an option called AOD styles, which is always on display styles. And one more good option is you can schedule this, when this should be enabled, when this should be disabled. I kept like 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. so during only this time this always on display will work on my mobile, and at other times it will be off. To save the battery, there is a beautiful option like schedule, so you need to enable it. If you want, you can schedule the time. That is really up to you, and this is the option I very much like. And coming to the AOD styles, if you click on AOD styles, you can choose from the available AOD styles. See, if you scroll down, there are a lot of styles. You can personal styles, you can click on view more, and out of which one of them you can pick. For example, if this one, just tap once on the screen so that you will get overall display without applying. Before applying, you can just check once how it is looking always on display. When you click on apply on the lock screen, it works. There are analog displays, digital clock displays. Whichever you want, you can keep it. You can customize the colors also. For example, if you are not satisfied with this, you can download some more. There are download available, but these are all paid versions. So you can have a look at the paid versions also, but without paying only. There are many options available in the free only. So I'll just go to the free versions. These are all the free versions. There are many options to keep personalized stickers. You can choose one from this available list. That is up to you. And not only we can also write the name. For example, the text. This option is available under, there is a signature. See here, signature. If you want to keep your own name, something like that, you can tap on the text and write the text. You need to click on done here first. You need to tap on that, and you need to write the name first, then click on done here. First edit the name, whatever the name may be. Okay, see there is a done here. You need to click on done. Once you click on done, you need to click on apply, and you can change the color to whatever you want, and you can increase the size, because yes, you can increase the weightage of the name, and then click on apply. So if you click on apply, that gets applied on the lock screen as the always on display. So not all mobiles will have this always on display. You need to check in the settings, and your screen should be AMOLED screen, so that this option will be available. If you like this video, please do hit a like and share it to others. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.